ABA. Miracle, mistake, or mixed. Applied Behavior Analysis, or ABA, is the most prescribed autism therapy on Earth. Tens of thousands of kids start it every year. Across the globe, ABA is shaping lives. Some families call it life-changing. So, how does it actually work? ABA rewards positive behavior and discourages actions that might be harmful or disruptive. Think of a classroom. Every time a child shares or sits calmly, another gold star appears on their chart. Parents report first words, fewer headbangs, even the holy grail of toilet success. I've seen little moments, like a child signing more for the first time or a bathroom high five, that mean the world to families. But let's be real, the backlash is loud. Classic ABA tried to erase stimming, force eye contact, and normalize kids at any cost. Imagine black and white footage, big red X over stop flapping. Listen to the voices of autistic adults. I learned smiles on command, but I also learned my natural self was wrong. Behind those early gains, some kids learn to mask who they are. Research links harsh ABA to anxiety, even PTSD-like symptoms years later. Picture a graph: as the use of intense ABA rises, so does the risk of anxiety. But here's another view. Modern ABA isn't about curing autism. It's about teaching independence and safety. Picture a therapist, not drilling eye contact, but helping a teen master functional skills. Take communication. After months of ABA focused on real needs, I've seen teens unlock AAC devices, going from silence to sharing their world. If nuance matters to you, hit subscribe for balanced breakdowns. Let's talk science. Brain plasticity studies suggest rewards work, but only if the goals honor autonomy. It's not about forcing change. It's about supporting self-determination. Red flags: therapists who stop self-soothing, deny breaks, or punish harmless flapping. Green flags: child-led goals, family consent, and total transparency. Most quality ABA programs show progress within 6 months, using positive reinforcement 90% of the time. Imagine calendar pages flipping, bar filling up. But ABA isn't the only way. There's speech and language therapy, occupational therapy, floor time, music therapy, even Lego social groups. Sometimes the best fit is a mix. So, what does your child need? Safety, language, sensory support? There's no single answer, only what works for your family. If you're deciding on therapy, here's my quick checklist. 1. Observe a session. 2. Ask about data goals. 3. Make sure your consent can be withdrawn anytime. ABA can empower, harm, or land somewhere in between. Its impact depends on people and practice. Share your story below and join us to champion evidence plus empathy. #InformedAutism.